longtime friends blending the spine-chilling thrills of horror and true crime.
The wildest Reddit stories.
And a special guest.
Welcome to
The Bold Blend!
I'm Nay.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Ange.
And hello!
Bianca! So Bianca
So-
is here. She will be joining us. Kay, wala, ganahan naman may mag-guest-guest. Yeah, ganahan
mami.
Actually, ako jud nag-forest nila. Alam ko, wait, guys, nag-go? Salita kayo!
Our episode for today, guys, The Bold and the Brave.
Yes.
Yep.
So, Ange, can you tell us a little bit more about our episode?
So, ang mga episode kay April baya. So, naay araw ng kagitingan. Among githink kay kinsa pa may best ang mga bold and brave things. None other than that Bisaya podcast chick, right? So that's why we have Bianca here.
Before we get going, and since I'm the designated driver, I'm gonna have to go first. So let's start off with a true crime, a thrilling
Really
true crime.
here in the middle of
Yes, here in the dark.
really dark
Nowhere. Manglak ta tayo, dili kita ang mga true crime.
Kaba mo guys, I actually watched their podcast pod ba. And si Nea, nga na ginang genre. Ika na mga Reddit stories, mga weird gun. Yeah, okay, mo na yung theme. Basta
Yeah,
si
dyan na
Nea.
siya, yeah.
Okay.
Actually lang.
This story involves hitchhiking, so it's very
Wait lang. Let's make sure everything is okay.
I'm sure ka, sakay ka din. So today's true crime story is about Mary Vincent. It's a story of survival and strength and scary hitchhiking. So I'm gonna give you a little intro. Today we will talk about the case that is both horrifying and equally inspiring. The survival of Mary Vincent. So this all happened sa panahon ni Angery in 1978. At just 15 years old, Mary Vincent was brutally attacked and left for dead. Very ang timing ba in the by the way, we're shooting this at 4:26 a.m.
Like ngit-ngit kayo.
in the dark. So
Wala naman kay scary stuff din
Wala
na
naman
dyan.
sa
Wala.
but like, make sure lang laptop car.
Bilang gay din.
Yeah, muling balwartin.
Yes.
For Mary Vincent, it says that against all odds, and you will see later on, she survived. Her story not only shocked the world but also exposed serious flaws in the justice system. So, sa US,
Okay.
ours is still very much flawed.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, but I'm gonna start with introducing the victim, and then later on I will introduce the bad guy of the story. So, who was Mary Vincent? She was a typical teenager growing up in Las Vegas, Nevada. She was one of 7 children described as independent, determined, and talented. She had dreams of becoming a dancer, but like many teenagers, she was also rebellious. In September 1978, she decided to run away from home. She made it to California, staying with friends for a while, but soon she wanted to return home. With no money for a bus ticket, she turned to hitchhiking. Just like Bianca over here.
Actually, legit dito ako ga-hitchhike ay.
Hitchhike niya, gikan sa ila.
Okay,
Yes.
sila.
Very ka nang, dropping naman.
Padungla agad. So, back then, at that time, it was a common thing to do. So, she didn't know that decision to hitchhike would change her life forever. Before we continue on with the story, I want to introduce the villain of the story. His name was Lawrence Singleton. So, Lawrence Singleton was a 50-year-old former merchant seaman. By all accounts, he lived an unremarkable life working various blue-collar jobs. He had been married, divorced, and had a daughter. People who knew him didn't see him as particularly dangerous, just is an average man. But underneath that ordinary exterior, as they always do, was something much darker. Singleton had a history of aggressive behavior, particularly when he was drinking. And on September 29, 1978, he picked up Mary Vincent on the side of the road, setting off a chain of events that would expose his true nature. Alright, so let's talk about what exactly happened. So, Mary wasn't alone when Singleton stopped in his blue van. 2 other hitchhikers were also waiting for a ride, but he claimed that he only had room for one. Despite some hesitation, Mary got in, believing he was a safe choice. Because, again, hitchhiking was a thing back then.
Mo ni katong pag-run away niya from home.
Ito na-decide siya nga mauli na siya.
Mabalik
okay,
na siya.
mauli na siya.
Ah.
Okay. Sus, malasa na lang siya.
Mo lang. For a while, everything seemed fine. He drove without issue, making small talk. But after some time, he took an unexpected turn off the highway. The beginning of every horror movie involving hitchhiking. Alright, so Mary immediately felt uneasy. She grabbed a sharp stick in case she needed to defend herself. But before she could act, Singleton attacked. He brutally assaulted her, tied her up, and eventually made the decision to silence her. How? How, you might wonder? Using a hatchet. This is gonna be a really brutal part. He cut off both of her arms just below the elbow.
Wait lang. But she survived, di ba?
She survived.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
You set the
Imagine-
expectations.
Yeah.
So he cut off both her arms just below the elbow, and then he pushed her body off a 30-foot embankment, believing she was dead.
Imagine na ako, baka naghimo na akong movie sa akong mind.
Lagi ako sa actually. Kind of 50-year-old na. Nanitulo ka ba?
Yes.
Babae.
So, yan siyang gibili na niya. Yan ang gitagak si Mary, leaving her for dead.
So wala lang siya emotive nga nung iyang
Not that I know of.
Ay, unsa
Like,
ganitong before niya gi-cut ang arm?
iyang gi-assault
Para
si
lang,
Koan.
para dili na guro, para mamatay na siya ba?
Para, just
No evidence.
no evidence. Yeah. But Mary Vincent was not dead. Despite massive blood loss and shock, she forced herself to move. She packed mud into her wounds to slow the bleeding, which I would never think of, by the
Yeah.
way. That was very smart of her. And climbed back up the embankment. For 3 miles, she walked along the road, naked, bleeding, and barely conscious. Eventually, a passing couple saw her and rushed her to a hospital. Doctors were astonished that she survived. Her wounds were treated, and she was fitted with prosthetic arms. So, her hands, wala na siya na reattach.
Of course, I think nawala na po siguro to nung panahon. Yeah.
Gitagak lang,
Like
gitagak.
somewhere, gilabay somewhere, para dili na ma-attach jud.
But which is a
And
really
getting rid of
strange choice.
evidence po siya, di ba?
Really strange choice. You have a hatchet, and you want to
Kasi na
kill
sa
a axe.
Yeah. But
So,
like,
Pero mas
naka-curve siya, di ba?
mas curve siya,
Yeah.
di ba? Oo.
I mean, it's a really weird choice. You have a hatchet, and you want to kill the person.
You cut off the
You
arms.
cut off. I'm just saying, though. I
Imagine
mean,
lahos nga death ta ba?
Maybe kanang nakonsensya pa siguro siya gamay. Sige, basin pa lang makasurvive siya gamay.
what?
No, I think
that
lang no, ganahan lang siya nga mag-suffer.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Na may uban nga sickles hindi ana good.
Psyche sa killer ba?
So let's talk about the trial and the controversial sentence. So Mary's testimony was crucial in getting Singleton convicted. In 1979, he was found guilty of kidnapping, attempted murder, and rape. The maximum sentence at that time, unfortunately, was just 14 years in prison.
Not life imprisonment.
14? Yeah, 14. That's
Not enough.
not enough. 14 years.
Okay.
You're not gonna like hearing this part. He only served 8 years before being released early for quote-unquote good behavior.
What the hell?
8 years for doing that to a girl.
Pero, no.
Yeah.
Ang nature mo siyang gibuhat.
Exactly.
No?
I don't know. He definitely had the intent to kill, and he only got 8 years for all of that. And he traumatized her. He raped her, and wala na dyan siya arms. So that's something that she has to live with for the rest of her life. And he got 8 years. So what happened to Singleton? After his release, Singleton struggled to find a place to live. Mirisi.
Deserve.
No community wanted him. Mirisi. He eventually moved to Florida, where in 1997 he was arrested again.
Uy!
This time for murder. So, yeah, because of the lapse sa justice system, nakakill pa siya og another person. So he killed a woman named Roxanne Hayes in a brutal attack. This time he didn't escape justice, which he shouldn't have in the first place.
Yeah.
He was sentenced to death but died of cancer in prison in 2001.
That's too kind.
It is.
Still not enough, no?
I hope it
Considering
hurt.
everything.
No, I hope the cancer hurt.
But still, I would prefer life imprisonment for a
Like,
suffer.
for him to rot.
Yeah.
Mas
Rot in
kana
hell.
mga inan na dapat good health na sila.
Para taas-taas yun.
Yeah.
Dapat ato na sila i-wish nga good health.
Yes.
No, dapat di sila magluya-luya.
Like
Uy.
they live until more than 100.
Oh.
Yeah. And from what I hear, if your crime is related to rape or, doing that stuff, especially to a teenager, ikaw man dyan ang pirming suki anang dropping a bar of soap. Wink. So good luck sa prison. Anyway, Mary Vincent's life after the attack. So, Mary Vincent never let what happened to her define her. She went on to become an artist, using her prosthetic arms to paint. She also became an advocate for victims' rights, speaking about violent crime and the flaws in the justice system.
Question. Alive pa ba na siya? The girl?
It's not said here. Yeah.
Pero
But she should
how
be,
does that work no if naka-prosthetic na arm like unsa niya control
Like ang nerves and all.
no ang nerves and all
The
ba?
bone.
I think
Or advanced na kayo
her
sila.
strokes would be not as refined siguro as someone
probably.
with
Yeah.
fingers, no?
Pero amazing no?
But I think
still-
muna siya ang murag pagka-unique sa iya ha. Kay
Yeah.
tungod
Right.
king
I mean ba if ikaw siguro it takes a lot of courage to push through after ana nga and to choose something nga ana nga murag ganig how do you call that murag ma-question sa mga tao hala
Yeah.
wala mo
True.
kay arms nganong kana man imong anuhan nga
True.
thing to do di ba but very brave of her na kana
But
jud
unsa
yang
man imong
ikuha.
usual buhaton if wa kay arms? Like what's your sa man imong livelihood?
I don't know
That's why
It's hard.
everybody needs arms.
That's a hard question. So there, and the thing is, she was still able to make something of herself despite all of that, and I'm sure she had her own mental health issues and trauma to deal with after being left for dead. What the hell?
Almost dead na siya.
Oh, so I would say that very fitting na siya sa ato ang theme today because she is very brave and she spoke up about it, and trying to make a difference when the justice system failed her, and working for people in the future nga hopefully dili mapareha sa iya haba. So, final thoughts is Mary Vincent's story is one of survival, strength, and the failures of the legal system. While Singleton eventually faced justice, it took another victim's life to make it happen, unfortunately. Her case changed laws, but it also serves as a reminder of the dangers that exist and the resilience of those who survive them. So that's it for my segment,
But I think,
guys.
like, during that time, if that was a black man nga nagka-commit sa crime, I don't think the same ang ma-happen sa iya ha. Kay, white siya, so meaning he served lesser sentence. But if it was a black man during that time, 1970s to, no?
True.
Okay.
True.
It's a different story.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
gonna be a different
Without
story.
second thoughts, I don't know what.
I mean, even
What
if
about
karon pa to,
Oh, yeah.
black
Yeah, still the
man,
same
most
thing.
likely
Uh-huh.
the same
Hindi
gihapon.
gid ang prejudice gihapon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After pila ka years guys siya after nakabiktima usab bro.
After 8 years, yeah.
So pag-release
Release
na yun.
Pag-release din yan, nakabiktima din siya og
It
lain.
didn't say man the
Ah,
exact year, but after he moved to a different
Florida.
Ah, yeah.
Florida na
So, siguro mga pila pa ka years,
Oh.
gano'n, no?
Assuming.
Pero, if mo isink ba, na-adjud siya kanang hunger to kill, no?
Yeah.
Na-adjud siyang nature ba?
Yeah.
Oh, and that could have been stopped.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kato lang. Lagi,
But-
factor jud to nga white man siya.
The different story na if we talk about the justice system.
I
I
mean,
mean,
Oh.
we're gonna digress na. So,
yeah.
so what's next? Then ka mo, nagka-friends mo kay high school, 4th year, so.
Oo. Pero mas close na sila. Mas close yun na sila.
Communicates.
Ambot na nung na-close mig usab recently. Ambot lang.
Ni Nia? Or ni Kate?
I mean like kaming tulo ba nga kanang
Oh,
Di,
Di,
sa
tungkol ka sa
college.
banda-banda po.
banda-banda.
Sorry,
may
sorry.
na.
Sorry, ana na.
Yeah. Nikalit lang kana nagklante sa may before nag-pandemic
Oh,
to ninda may t-shirt.
Oh.
we did
Oh.
all sorts of shit. Now
Yeah.
we're doing a podcast.
Yung moto niya, nga, tukar-tukar ta, jam-jam, hala. Pag jam, kaya nga mag-podcast ako, hala.
Ay, na-check ka na ba kung anong ka-podcast? So, feel ako na-share na ako sa podcast na po. But
Ano naman ba? Sige, share for the listeners.
Okay, for the Bold Blend listeners, nag-podcast ko kay gibuwagan ko sa ako ang nakoy crazy unhinged things that I've done to kay na heartbroken ko. One of it kay kani naghimo ko podcast kay more kita ga as a birthday gift gigaan ko ako ang kaning boyfriend kay LDR me niya wala pa gid mi nagkita once during the time nga nagkakami. Nakita mi once pero di pa mi uyab tumo to first meet. Nya karon kay I think wala niya nakaya ang LDR nya pandemic pag ito then I don't feeling nako wala niya nakita yung self nga maari pod sa Cebu and ako sad
Tagasam dito siya.
taga Manila man to siya and then ako sad although nag-think nagugo kay syempre magkuan ka kay uyab mo na and all pero wala pod nako ba nakita kong self nga mag Manila and I think na feel sad siguro to niya although wala siya na mo na verbalize mo din to siya nakigbuwag ni more shit na-hurt ko ani gamay gamay ra kay dili man ko ra ka ma-regulate ani mong feelings as you grow older so ko shit hindi pwede magmawi-mawi ko the podcast ko gigamit na ko ang iyang gihatag nga mic and all dito na born ang That Bisaya podcast chick
Moto siya, guys.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful story compared to ours. One day, you said.
Nikalit lang.
I had an idea pang since last month kay International Women's Month ba yan? Yan ako na-think
Yeah.
na nga topic kay as a chronically online person.
Right.
Nanadjud dahil kay mahuna-hunaan katong sa ba to? I don't know if kabalo mo sa issue kato ganing dili labot ang trans women in celebrating
sports?
in
Sa
celebrating the International
oh.
Women's Month kay
Ay.
dapat daw for biological cis women ra daw siya but then muna siya kanang weird kayo kay mo disagree na yung mga transgenders nga mo disagree transgender women nga mo disagree nga dili daw sila pud mo celebrate which is weird
Yeah. Kita ko na.
Diba?
Kita ko na. Yeah.
chronically online
Kaya itong kanang mag-doom scroll lang. Kita niyo sa kunsa.
I'm the only one here who lives in a cave.
so i-update ka niya mo siya issue mo to issue na weird ang you could present same may sentiment kaya I currently surrounded man gyud kog mga LGBT people akong best friend kay gay trans jud siya I mean mingon jud siya nga trans siya and then weird kaayo nga katong ako nakita nga TikTok ano siya nga dili kay dapat biological women ra gyud ang mo celebrate sa kay women good but like
But trans
for
women
me,
are women.
yeah. Mo gani, 'di ba? They're fighting women sila, but if i-appeal sila ato nga celebration
Kaya di
or
sila mo
dili sad sila mo
acknowledge.
acknowledge kung ha unsa tay inyo
Ito,
kung
no?
gusto.
Unsa daw ilang reasons nga nung nganong murag agree ra sila nga dapat di sila included.
Kay para lang siya daw to sa biological women. Kay wala na daw, kay naman daw LGBT month. Or like, na
so
Pride Month. Na Pride Month.
yeah.
So, dihan na lang
Okay.
daw sila kung mo celebrate. But like, huh? Aren't we fighting the same things?
Yeah, yeah.
Di ba, I mean, International Women's Month or Women's Month, kay all about feminism.
Mhm.
And then, feminism is not just about women.
Mhm.
For ako,
Yeah,
for me,
yeah.
dili rin na siya about women. Kaya it's
Yeah.
fighting, for me, the patriarchy nga very toxic
Damn.
patriarchy.
Yeah.
Di ba toxic man ang patriarchy in the society? Na-weirdan lang gid ko sa part nga, ha? Dili mo musugot mo, appeal mo, ani? But like, you're always saying, women me, women me.
Mhm. Bitaw sa? In the sense nga mo identify na ba sila as women. So
yeah.
I don't see the ano. Siguro these people dis sila ganag unsa baka gubot, tinala sila ganahan
Maybe.
og
Or
ano
like,
unsa man murag
I mean, basin gusto lang nila yung i-celebrate lang is, let's say, kato biological women. So, only the struggles of biological women. Like, panganak, periods,
Not being able to vote
But,
before.
ang trans women, naman sila ilang own struggles.
yeah.
Not just those biological nga struggles, nga panganak, kanang menstrual cycles and all. Mga ano ba?
Na
Oppressed man tatanan, marginalized man tatanan as women.
True.
Why would you exclude yourself?
true bitaw sa weird sa unsa ilahang unsa nga ni murag asa sila gikan ana ba nga okay ra nila.
I think,
Basin
What?
i-manipulate and
Kana.
brainwash na sila sa men. I mean,
or na sila internalized nga mga kuan ba nga
yeah.
wala sila kabaw nga muna din nila ang thought process. Sumuto siya ang topic niya.
di ba naisip ko?
You forgot the topic.
Yeah.
Nag-experiment me.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Di ba
Ito kita
mag-testing
ko
eh?
to nga video. Tung naay ilaga. Ano kasi din ako gusto mo din na ako magkita na sa kuan kisumpan ako.
Wala sa doon ako na video.
Nilupad yun ako ang kanang kalagdang. Kaya nag-parking rami
Sige, tabi ba?
Katawa lang kayo, wag na akong answer. Nagtabi, ikaw ba ito na lang sa kape? Tsaka, halo, ano siya? Naigking to na, no?
Sige, nagpangupot na.
Sige, dyan ginig ko.
Di kaya abi man ako hala what if lahi na hallucination na pag ako and then like dili ni si Nea ang nagkuan sa iyang kamot so ako gigunitan.
Di ako gikulbaan dyan kay basig na ay unsa ba ka sa gawas kay ngit-ngit man gud. Dili siya ngit-ngit pero kadlaan ba bayang dako.
Medyo ngit-ngit na ba siya?
Kanang unexpected true crime
Ay,
episode.
nag-part mo ato?
Nag-park kami sa Banawa.
Now murder.
Mag-gym na ba ako? Kaya ba magiging na akong work? Boring man kaya ako work from home. Unya, murag feeling na ko, mudako magiging mag-work from home ra ko. Nya, moto ko nga. Sa gulan tanig gym gamay.
Sa
Moto, mag-gym ko everyday. Murag, bisan na ako nag-teach ba sa ko. So, bisan na ako klase, gym gyapon. So, man ako ang life lately.
Which is good.
Yeah, well, i-balance na lang gid na ko kay feeling gid na ko. Sige na kong tanaw-tanaw sa ako. Murag dako na akong deadly.
Dagan magkaila nimo.
Mo jud yun.
As
You have a
in,
freaking podcast.
people know
I mean, mag-high school lang daan.
Popular.
Popular man ka.
I don't think.
Shy ka, pero kaya daghan yung kaila. Kay gibaw ka, ano, bright ka, pretty ka. As in,
Kanta ka.
As in, this is not me being humble.
singer.
Shit, dili na ko magkita ko sa mas makita na ko sila Kim Wong, Reyna, sila magit na.
Friends man sad mo, so
Oh, yeah.
sikat sad ka.
Sikat na.
I
Oh
mean,
my God.
ilado sad ka.
Kabaw, wako gida everything per gadagid kog lip gloss.
So thank you, Nea, for that traumatic story. Thank you, Bajan. I'm sorry, Nay. I'm sorry, bro. Okay. So this is from the subreddit Philippines by Gyro_Armadillo. Manila, Philippines. A 26-year-old foreign technical intern from the Philippines saved a 6-year-old Japanese boy who fell into the sea on June 16, 2024. The boy was now wearing a life jacket and fell into the sea in Fukuoka City. This Filipino man was fishing nearby, immediately jumped into the sea and helped him. Both were not injured. The report added that if the man had not helped, the child's life might have been
placed at risk, or the incident might have been a big deal. As reported, it was said that the boy's parents asked the Filipino for his name and offered a reward, but the 26-year-old intern simply said that he is not anyone important and went home.
Wow.
Real, no?
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, nasa news.
Where it happened?
Sa
Japan.
Fukuoka
Japan. But
City, sa Japan.
Kay Filipino guy.
Yes.
Ooh.
So the Japanese ambassador to the Philippines, Endo Kazuya, tweeted, "Heroism knows no boundaries. A story of a true bayaning Filipino in Fukuoka who selflessly saved a young boy from the sea. His selflessness and bravery inspires us all." Very humble kay siya, wag yun siya nagkuan gani.
Like, we don't know his name?
Yeah, wala gi kuan.
Spider-Man.
Oh.
Yeah. Kasi, that night na someone na drown, no?
Kid.
Yeah, a
May
kid.
bata nga na-drown.
And then wag gyud siya kaduha-duha nga bahalag tugnaw gyud kayo kay like kuan man gyud to. Kanang open sea. So like tugnaw siya na.
Yeah, and Japan, pag
Mm.
diba, di man na siya, it's not a hot country. Tama ba?
Depende
Nice
sa
days.
season.
Four
Depende sa
seasons.
season.
Sige, let's assume nga winter na siya. Para mas dramatic effect ang ano.
Ito.
Yeah.
Pero no, like, for sure, kananadid to, intern pa dyan siya, diba? So,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
intern siya, so, makaingon tangan na nakipagsapalaran lang sa jud dito ba? Di maghunahon na jud ka nga basig na ni reward, but I mean for me personally no kala may na lang ma-rewardan ta pero ug wala rasad pero
Okay,
siya ba kay wala ni
Wala
balipan
siyang
jud
mind.
siya nga wag niya gi-introduce yung name.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then walk away ra gyud siya. Like ganan.
So wala jud na in contact niya after ato nga
wala.
Piling.
Siguro, kay wala man.
sure ka mysterious ni kuya
Yeah, that's
no.
like a superhero kind of thing.
Yeah.
Naturally alter ego.
The very Spider-Man.
Spider-Man yeah.
But first of all, why does the kid not have a life vest?
Yeah,
Sa dagat.
True.
Mo siya ng first issue na to.
True. Asa na imong mama daw.
Ano yung ginikanan dong?
Asa na imong ginikanan dong.
Narasan sila sa boat actually.
Nag-boating?
Nag-boating to sila.
Ah.
Yeah,
Asa nigi ka ng
I
intern?
think. Nag-boating siya.
Nag-fishing
Nag-fishing na to siya.
Okay.
So pastime guro din niya, no?
Yeah. Ay, di sa takaingon nga nang inanglan to kwartay basig dato jud to siya daan
Japan,
na siya
good.
dito.
Di ba? Nakatugod siya as an intern.
Ah,
Wow.
basig dato siya daan biyang. Mo gurong din niya need ang money.
Actually.
Sana all dili need ang
But
money.
still, though, it's so, so like in the middle of all that drama, you saved a kid is crying, parents are so thankful, and then you're like, I am no one important.
Meron siya ka ng main character moment
character.
kayo.
Very. Masin mo to yung goal in life.
Yeah.
Diba?
Na mabuhat to niya yun na to. Na very very
Very
kanang-
nonchalant.
Yeah, very mysterious pina superhero vibe.
At least now, kabaw, kay, kung ano niya,
Yeah.
we know of him.
Yeah.
Yeah. So moto siya, isa ka example sa bold and brave Filipino.
Nice one. Well
Ito,
done.
very, very bold, very
Well
brave ito. Okay, after Kate's story about the bravery of that Filipino guy, nga wa nagpaila siyang name,
Very mysterious kuya.
yeah.
Nice one, sir.
I think, akong story, it's not more of a story, but siguro, in line with the theme nga bold and the brave, para nako, the people nga bold and brave are those LGBT people. Para nako ha, because, actually, ano siya, nag-try kong imagine nga, what if dili di ko straight? Kana ganing mag-experiment kasi mong self nga murag kuan ka ng what if dili di ko straight? Pero eventually, na-realize na ko guys, straight pa day ko. And then,
Digid malikot.
imagining people nga, especially now nga surrounded ko with people nga LGBT, nga, yun sa Manila pag-live, uy nga, to live their truth ba? Kay lisod ba ya, especially if wala kakabaw, wa ba kakabaw sa family nga you are in? If accepting ba sila kung unsa ka, nindot if accepting imong family. But what if katong mga people nga kanang dili jud kay traditional kay ilang parents or ilahang lulog lola dito sa nang dako dili jud musugot nga magbayot-bayot sila or kana. So for me, kay para nako living their truth kay bravery na siya. So muna siya ko ang opinion.
May opening, guys.
Yeah. So, sa inyo ma-comment sa akong
I
opinion.
agree though. I see a lot of those kanang touching coming out stories kay kana sa RuPaul's Drag Race ba? Ka-familiar mo na?
I know the series.
Yeah.
Yes.
And sometimes they really have it tough, but
Oo.
you know, they still end up being awesome drag queens,
Yeah.
doing what they do and being great at it regardless if they have support sa ilahang family. And to those who don't, you know, they were able to form little families with their koan.
Katong sa RuPaul's nga
Oh.
actually. And then usa nga thing nga akong bayot sad nga friend nagigingon ako nga lisod sometimes maging bayot kay more double dapat imong effort kay you have to prove nga you are worth something just because you are gay. Kay if straight person magug ka murag wala ra kay di sa lingon nga wala kay prove but at the same time dili siya gani dapat dili kayo ka mag double effort kay straight ra man ka you are part of the normal nga society or you are in the norm ra status quo. Pero if kuan ka LGBT murag liko ka and then you have to prove to your family nga you are worth something tungod kay dili ka status quo. Murag ingana ako ang mo sa to yung giingon sa ako ang kabantay mo, let's say for example bayot, dapat smart ka. Kay if dili ka smart dali ra dayon ka i-degrade. Kay kabantay mo ganang mga bayot term bayot buang, di ba? Usually kanang dili kayo bayot sila niya, dili kayo sila nga naka smart. Sila mismo sila ang mas down sa society compared to those awakaron. Accepted ra kaayo si Boy Abunda. Basta dapat you have to make a name for yourself gani para accepted ka as an LGBT compared to if straight ra ka. Wala ra kay it's not dili man sa wala kay gi-prove gyud ha as if straight ra ka. It's just that dili ra kayo ingana ka double effort if straight. So muna akong POV, especially nga surrounded jud daghan kay ko friends nga bayot mo gid na. Muna ako ang realization nga murag close gid kayo ko sa ila hapod kay kana muna makita na ko ilang POV as the outsider nga makita na ko ilang life.
And everyone here sa kon, I mean, ang nag-surround ni mo.
LGBT.
The gays. You're surrounded by the gays.
Can we call you now babaeng bakla?
I am very as in akong mga expressions, akong mga wordings. Gika nila tanan. Like ma-learn ako like nami garbosa nga term.
Garbosa.
Nami kanang let's say for example kanang if sakto lang ka correct ingana nga mga gay lingo's ba nan makasabot sa gusam dili ko kasabot kaayo but makakatch dayon ko sa mga gay lingo's gani
kay kibalo man ka
ko
makadungog man ka
pero akong mga gay friends di man nun sila kayo magbali-bali o kuan pero makasabot ra gyapon ko silang mga language so kana siya muna ako ang kuan muna akong when I was thinking of unsa man ako i-share sa podcast regarding Bold and the Brave mo to na remember nako kung mga friends and tungod lagi kay chronically online ko katong story ni Isnir sa PBB.
Yo, I don't know that, so you gotta tell me, you gotta share it.
Kailan ka ni Isnir?
You know Isnir, right?
Content creator nga kami taong mag-lain-lain siya nga character.
TikTok content creator siya. Muna siya. Part siya sa PBB now. And then, i-share siya siyang story. One part siyang story kay katong murag nag-ask iyahang parents mang good. Murag sige, before ato nga time, kay murag busy kay siya. Wala siya ka-reply dayon. Sa iyang parents nga nag-ask og money. Siguro kay, of course, murag monthly na siya maghatag. Now, patong wala siya naka-reply, murag yaw-yawan na noon siya nga kanang sa to kanang
lami kay kag kinabuhi.
Lami-
di
oh,
ha.
ingana.
Ya, wa ka kay numdum na mo.
nya
Yan na.
murag nalimot ra gud siya reply kasi syempre busy siya ato nga time na before pagid ato nga na happen murag months siguro ago kung murag naka-bail out siya siyang papa.
Yang kay hapit na
Kay
piso
hapit
yung
na piso yung
papatungod
papa.
sa utang.
Oh.
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 Mao daw to nga siya nga kanang ay di ni chika siya ato nga murag kato nga time kay medyo galisod sa siya ba?
Oh, galisod siya.
Nana niya. So,
Nana siya sa Manila ato,
oh,
diba?
niya, di man siya, ano na nga, paduman daw mapriso, hindi siya ganang mapriso yung papa.
Oo.
So, yung gibayaran.
Oo.
So, mo to siya niya. Nihilak kita bitaw ko ato yung episode nga, nihilak
Nasa
din siya.
jud ko nga murag wow siya pa ang kanang kuan lahi na sa nga topic on breadwinners no pero kato siya pa ang kanang LGBT niya siya pa nakatabo niya murag ako sa iyang part gabi sa iyang parents no nga murag nakayaw-yaw dili pa day gihapon enough mo to na niana pa jud siya nga wala pa jud siya nakadungog siyang parents nga kanang sa to kanang
Nga murag proud kay
minimo.
ko nga ikaw ang mong anak.
shit
Wala
na
dyan siya
na-touch
kadungog.
man jud ko na.
Yeah. Naminaw bitaw ko kung luwi ka siya, bako man jud good siya.
Sakit man gyud ma-feeling mo nga sakit
Lagi.
jud kay iyang part ba.
Yeah.
So moto, una moto kong na-remember nga, brave sad ko siya nga, they live good siya as a gay person.
I mean, true man jud na ka nang mulagi you have to work twice as much to prove your worth gani. So daghan kayo amot mahimo na siyang meme online nga kanang bakla siguro to kasi overachiever pa yan. Yeah. Kay kamo ra gani para sa ilaha to make up for the fact nga
Yeah.
kanang dili ko murag I don't know how they think about it murag halama dili ra ba ko straight pero kailangan ka nang sige lang maningkamot ko para madawat gyapon
May
ko nimo.
palain kayo?
I mean for me wala ako kasuway inana no
Oo,
kay
okay.
I mean
Wala kay coming out story.
wala ko coming out story actually like nagdalang ko gidalan ako speech sa balay.
Okay, wala to siya. Implied.
But sa ako ang cousins, ni-share ko nga na. But di jud nga kanang murag dako kay siya nga thing
Yeah,
for us.
yeah.
I think for me lang, ambot lang kay wala sabi akong mama magpapa. I wonder if lahi pod ang situation if naa pa sila.
Yeah.
But with my remaining family, like akong auntie o mga cousins, wala ra. Like, for me man sa good before kay, di mo ko need mo come out ni mo kay murag di ko ganan nga big deal siya kay that's just another thing of me gani.
Di siya
Murag
di
my
siya
whole
whole
nana ba. So, mo na mga dili kay ko ka-relate anang need nimo i-prove imong worth
Yeah.
but makakaiba ko og mga stories nga nga kanang grabe nga going so far jud for their parents para lang ma-feel nilang validation
Oo.
gani. And in the end dili jud gihapon.
Dili gihapon.
Di jud gihapon enough. So mo na luoy jud kayo na ang mga nana nga tao.
I mean, lucky ka kay nga na, di ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw,
I think
ikaw
a lot of those stories, okay, it really happens. It's more on the gay men side because I think there's a certain expectation
for men.
for gay men. Oh, you gotta be funny. You gotta be smart. You
Yeah.
gotta be creative.
Yeah.
There's a lot
Yeah.
of expectations if you're a gay man, and if you don't meet those expectations, what's the point of being gay if you're not any of those
Yeah.
things?
Kabantay mo most gays bod kay funny gid sila.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, basta mo ingon gani nga. I mean, guilty ko na no kay nabi ako cousin nga gay ko. Yeah, dili siya kay bawa mo make up and stuff kung fake gay man ka niya. Nasumugod na ko
Yeah,
nga.
oo.
Kanang tabangi ko ano upili outfit bisyo di ko kay bawa na ginana tinins ko
gay
nga.
gid siya, no?
But gay jud siya.
Yeah.
So but mo lagi na kato tinoto nga murag na stereotyping sa jud gihapon,
Yeah.
di ba? So yeah, challenge man jud to be in that community, no? But
Right.
for me siguro very important lang jud to find your people.
Right.
Yeah.
Kay, you know, I mean,
Yeah.
for me, mo dyan na siya kung mindset nga, I know I'm with the right people, di ko kailangan mo explain, di ko kailangan to prove anything. I do me, they still love me for me, na ba? So,
Yeah.
siguro, murag akong ma-share or mahatag sa uban kay a lot of people are still struggling by although very accepting naman karon pero in their
Lucky lang
personal
tanaw.
relationships kanang like sa parents lisod ba jud, especially if traditional lang parents
Right.
na ba so siguro ka na di jud na siya sa yun you will have a lot of things to go through jud but if you're with the right people
Right.
murag makaingon na sa jud ka nga sige lang makalingkawas ra ko ani
Right.
yun na yeah.
Actually, I think same mo sa ako. Pwede ba na ako isulti? Anyway.
Controversial.
Oh.
I didn't know. did.
I had no idea,
I didn't
man.
suspect.
Kay, wala siya coming out story. Iyarang gidayang uyong.
Hey!
Last year.
Pero di siya bi siya or
Di ko sure if bi, pero
wa
murag,
pa mo na nga conversation.
wala na lang sa ko nag-ask. Kay murag, okay, whatever you are, di mo siya mamatter sa ako. Agoy.
Wala lagi. Nana ba?
Yeah, surprisingly, abi na ko mo-react badly.
Oh?
Pero nag-expect na ko dili siya mo-react. Jud kay di man siya confrontational na person. I think dili ra sa tunia. Wala ra gid siya coming out story. Diretso ra gid. Okay, this is chu.
Oh, cute. Dili sa siya showy sa social media, no?
Dili.
Oh.
Kailan mo ni Smee.
Di ba dili?
I think same sa imo nga wala siya need i-prove nga kuan gid kay namang good ko.
I think sad ka ng mga ina na ba, like, I don't know, no, for me lang, nakathink lang ko nga, siguro if butan jud ka nga bata daan, pero depende jud siya sa
Dili
parent.
feel ako depende yun nga.
Depende
It
siya.
just happened. At first, there was a little bit of a whoa, and then they're like, "Yeah, what can we do?"
I mean, they know naman.
I-confront
Good
kasi
na.
mong parents.
No, I told them. I was like, "Hello, I'm gay," and then my mom had this crying moment. It was like, "No,
Really?
I have a girl." Yeah, and then eventually you just can't stop it, and
Di mo
they're
siya.
like, they don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you just what are you gonna do about it?
Yeah. When na nimo na nasulti? College?
Oh,
High school?
Early pa sa college.
Ay, college. Abi kong pag high school ni reveal.
Actually, ka-plan mi nga kami, niya. Sige, insert na lang sad ka na mo.
Bito.
Gana na kayo na lang din.
Wala man kay.
Ana lang imo ang
Wait lang.
Kay Amil na lang.
Si Charles. Uy, wait lang. Ako ang straight pero ako ngoy uyab. Kabil! Nandiyo is something wrong sa world, guys. Wala na yun. As in. So, mo to siya, guys. Single ko. Panawagan.
Guys, single si Bianca, guys.
Panawagan.
So, sa kaning episode, may mutayang kanang socials dere sa Ubos. So, i-follow lang siya, i-DM siya.
More akong purpose din, guys.
And paminawa yung
I'm just
podcast.
appearing
Paminaw
here.
ang podcast actually. So si Bianca ang feel ko sa among peers, siya ang first nga nag-podcast.
Really?
So,
Yeah.
when we started this, niya na jud ay may nga ato jung i-guess si Bianca. Si
Yeah.
Bianca jud atong first nga guest. Di jud pwede nga di si Bianca.
True.
So wala nga nana siya here. So nadakpan na jud namo siya bisag unsa siya ka busy.
Yeah.
Pero nagsugod sila alas 4 sa kadlaw.
Hayag na, di ba?
Hayag na ron.
Salamat.
Inana kataas ang among chika nga wala na record.
Yes. All the
Because we were name dropping.
good. Daghan sana siya? Ma-bleep out or like ma-cut na scenes kay shit, grabe ka controversial mga discussion na to dere.
Going back to the topic, so I agree, Jude. It takes courage to be yourself, man, Jude. Good.
Yeah, true.
Grabe, Jude, nga kanang unapologetically yourself. Ina na gani nga, you don't take anyone's shit. Like, you do you lang, Jude. Sad for some nga di na nila mabuhat, but
Yeah, ka na ma-closet gyapon sila no.
well, closeted gyapon, even na medyo gyapon yung mga closeted, like mga old na,
Yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
And even mga stories nila kanang nag-transition nga old na, and then ma-realize nila nga, I feel like I'm a man yan, transition into a man. Nandiyan may na, like kanang even in marriages na gani.
Caitlyn Jenner.
Jenner.
Yeah.
Jenner dude.
Yeah, so,
Girl now.
yan siya, muna siya, bisan pag unsa ka dugay, guys.
Yeah.
Okay ra dyan na, take your time and surround yourself with the right people. Kay more dyan na siya pinaka-importante sa ina nga aspect ba, aside sa battle with yourself,
Yeah.
kana you have the correct support system gani nga kana kay bawo ka nga bahalag di dyan na siya murag pinaka mo matter for them, like you know, like ikaw, you as you man na, so kung kinsa yung partner di na siya mo affect sa unsa ka.
True.
Yeah, so
Muna siya. I'm so proud of my LGBT friends.
yes.
Them here. Gipoint na yun. And all my other friends. Surprisingly, na-surround sa jud kog LGBT people or daghan na lang gid mo karon.
Yeah.
No? Yung murag outnumbered na. outnumbered na
You
kami.
know what? We're the fun ones, so
Like, it's like we are the minority now.
I mean, wala na, emoji na siya ba nga kanang more people are being free naman good.
That's true.
Kanang kabanday ka karon nga active kay ang drag scene.
Ooh, I
Nga
love
daghan
the
kayo
drag
people
scene.
nga mo go ana na ba so di na siya as challenging as before pero
Yeah.
internally siguro for the people kay naji gap yung mga struggles but you know at least kanang feeling gani nga dili ka inana ka trapped.
It's a step forward yun,
Yeah.
to progressive na society.
it is brave
Mhm.
to love yourself
Yeah.
entirely in a world that's just randomly hating on everyone everywhere,
True.
right? Like people hating for no reason. So it's a noble thing to love yourself and to be yourself
True.
in this crazy world that we live in.
Going back sa kung minority nga comment ba, minority na may mga straight people na nagparty kog baryo, pwede na siya ni igora ni siya. Nagparty kog baryo kay of course akong mga friends. And then one time pag among ko yung tanan kay mga kwento sila tanan gay men. Yeah. Ako raw sa ang straight nga girl. Pag naog na mo dito, nasa yung mga group of friends. Gingnan ko tong usa ka bayot nga ano, like in English na siya nga, why are you here? Wala man yung market diri. I swear, I was like, kabawan ko, wala man ko diri para mang hunting. I'm just here to have fun sa akong mind ba. So, nakugang ragid ko ato. Smart, okay. Saba ba ya and all. So, okay. Okay. Kay, kung kuya gato kay medyo gwapo manggudo siya pero di po siya straight. Yeah, kay one of our group of friends to siya nga nakuyog na mo niya. Ni kuyog ko niya pag naog. Dito na dayon niya siya nga. Okay. Okay, dili na lang ko mo-comment kay basin makaaway niya ko niya, di ba ko nag-away. So mo to ningilom ra ko pag the next day dito na ko ni chika sa akong mga friends ni Kayla DJ. Ilahara gid itong grupo ba. Si Kuan to, blah blah kalimot ko sa pangan good. Okay. Yung nagkita na po balik. Next week, nagbaryo na po ko.
Mo na siya ka busy guys.
Diba? Pero last year ato akong baryo days. Karon kay alcohol free naman ko.
Okay, nag-gym na ba
Yes.
siya?
For
Healthy living
For
siya.
healthy living. Kay wala. Kay single man ko. Ang kaganda.
So guys,
Yeah.
i-PM lang si Bianca guys.
No, don't PM me. Dili ko
Don't
mo
PM
reply.
Pabinawa na lang yung podcast and leave a comment.
i-follow na lang
Leave
yung
a comment.
podcast.
Leave a comment. Yeah.
Yeah, kind of inspiring jud na kanang people who get to live like their truths.
We love the gays.
We love the gays.
Yeah.
Yay gays. Love
Yay,
wins.
gays.
Ito surprisingly daghan na jud kay ko og kanang mga friends nga part of LGBT. Nga kung proud kay ko nila like you guys nga kanang live na gud sila on their truth selves nga dili na sila magtago-tago ba.
Yeah.
Kung lang kay basin unsa pa lang i-judge sa society nako.
Yeah.
Although karon dili na lagi accepting na gid ang
Lagi.
society.
Although namgya po yung mga homophobic assholes, pero kana,
Nasa
they don't matter.
internalized
Yeah,
homophobia
kana
nga. Wa sila kabaw nga homophobic na di
Kana
ay.
sad,
Yeah.
kana sad.
Kana-
Even like people nasa community.
Yes, daghan
na.
kayo.
na.
Di pag gihapon siya nga naka
Oh,
progressive
pero layo na jud siya i-compare nimo before.
as a step forward jud siya as now kay I think makahelp pod ang social media gihapon no kay ma-educate ang mga tao nga na yung ingani nga types of people, then how are we going to be supportive of them. Naging mga instructional videos but na yung mga inspirational videos on that one ba.
Speaking of like media kana recently ba si Clarice katong singer ni come out sad siya
Oo.
nga bay siya.
Part 2 sa yung PBB nga katong
Unsa gina yung apelyido Clarice? Basta Clarice nga kanang singer. Oh, nya.
Pinoy.
Oh, Pinoy niya. Nasa sa PBB ni come out siya nga bay siya. Na siya partner nga girl.
4 years na sila.
Nga 4 years. Imo to nga nagsuspect din mga tao nga basig siya to ang sa kanta ni KZ. Nga niya nam to yung murag new song si KZ nga murag pag Valentine's ba niya for LGBT siya nga gisuwat gipasuwa murag sa ako aning friend niya Oh, murag nana. So dagan ningon na basig si Clarice din.
Basin, kay
daw.
friends man sila.
Gani. So muna siya guys.
Ito akong ambag sa Bold and the Brave.
Yeah, very nice ambag actually.
Yes.
Kaya dagan kay tag nasulti, di ba?
Actually.
Quite a roller coaster that we
Actually.
It's a roller coaster of topics, but I'm glad that you joined in today. Bang. Hopefully you'll
Kinahan ka magbalik-balik ka magtabi, guys.
Irregular guest na na to.
regular guest. Kidnapon na ka na mo pero may
Mag-auto pa rin ito sa Lisay. Biyang, talabiyang.
may buong na lang kay Exode mo na camera ay mag-episode. Yeah, thank you for sharing that and one of the reasons why we covered the Bold and the Brave guy, you know, araw ng kagitingan about
April
heroes,
9, yeah.
about heroes. So now these people who teach us that, you know, despite all the hate, there should be love, there should be acceptance. We should consider those people heroes because they're teaching us, you know, maybe you're gonna read a post from them or just, you know, recognize them from TV, but we should consider them heroes because they're teaching so many people
Yeah.
na love wins.
Yeah. And dili man need heroes mamatay na, di ba?
True.
Ayun,
We
napani.
need living heroes.
Love wins, spread the love, and yeah, always be true to yourself, keep inspiring others, and find your people lang dyan. Wala na siya.
That's the best
Things will be
advice.
better jud. Things get better jud. So if nag-struggle ka di ang apart, be it with your family, with society, inyong mindset, it will get better jud. So man na siya.
Yeah.
The blend's over for now.
But the chaos never stops.
Stay tuned, stay bold.
And we'll catch you on the flip side.
Hey! Bye! Bye! Magtabi na ibalik.